In this video, we'll cover the basics of generating statistical charts in Matrix. To start, click Stats. By default, you'll start on the Presets tab, which can be used to quickly generate charts. But first, you'll need to enter search criteria to determine which properties will be used to calculate that chart data. To customize the information that you want in your chart, click the Customize tab. Here you can adjust parameters like the time frame, statistics, or the way the results will be grouped in your chart. As an example, let's choose the average sale price over this year to date and group them by month. We can customize further by using the Advanced and Style options. Use Advanced options to add a secondary statistic to your chart, and use Style options to change the chart's appearance. After filling everything out, click Generate and Matrix will create your chart. Below the chart, you can see the parameters used to create the chart, as well as the approximate number of listings that were captured by your search criteria. You can expand or reduce that amount by clicking the Search tab, where you can make changes to your search criteria before generating a new chart. Click the print icon to print or save the chart to a PDF file, or click email to send the chart in an email out of Matrix. You can also switch to the data tab to see all the data points in the data set. This information can be exported to a CSV file if needed. Now, if you like to view these stats at a later time, you can save your parameters as a preset. After generating the chart, click the Save tab. First, give your preset a name. Then check the box if you want to include the search criteria you used to make the preset. Also, check if you like this statistic to show on the home page in the My Stats widget. To finalize, click Save and a new preset will be added to the My Presets category. If you have questions that were not answered in this tutorial video, contact MLS support by emailing mls@cvrmls.com, or you can call 804-422-5004.